by threading your needle. Add 6 beads. Pass back through the first bead to form a circle. Go through all 6 beads again to make the circle stronger and more secure. Add 5 beads. Pass back through 1 bead. Go through to white beads. Add 3 pink beads. Go through to white beads and to gold beads. Now one petal is finished. Add 4 beads. Pass through 1 white bead. Pass through 1 gold bead. Pass through to white beads. Add 3 pink beads. Pass through to white beads. Pass through to gold beads. Now 2 petals are finished. Next, repeat this step to make more petals. For white beads, pass through 1 white bead, pass through 1 gold bead. Pass through to white beads. Add 3 pink beads. Pass through to white beads. Pass through to gold beads. Keep repeating this pattern until the last petal. Come out from 1 white bead. Add 3 white beads. Pass through 1 white bead from the next petal. Continue through 1 gold bead. Pass through to white beads. Add 3 pink beads. Pass through to white beads. Now 1 layer of petals is finished. The second layer is made the same way as the first layer. Five beads. beads. After finishing 2 layers, it will look like this. Next, we tie knots to finish. Bring the 2 ends of the thread together and tie knots. Hide the thread ends inside the beads. Cut off the extra thread. Now one small flower is finished. You can use different bead colors to make flowers in different colors. Use jump rings to connect them together. Then add a magnetic clasp. Now your flower bracelet is finished.